She wasn't happy with anything I gave her. So we're gonna give her some orange. Come on, Frankie. Come on, you silly possum girl. Oh, come on up here and say hi. You want some of that, Frankie? We like to eat oranges. That's my bite, Frankie. Oh, I don't even eat it. You're making a mess all over me. You're making me all juicy, Frankie. You keep spitting it out. Everybody likes to watch you eat oranges, you pretty possum girl. Pretty much everybody should have a possum. Because Frankie's my best friend. She's a pretty sweet one. She's a pretty nice girl. I like her little ears. And she leaves me this gross stuff. I'll give you one more bite, Frankie. Okay? Don't say hi, people. You say hi, peoples, Frankie?